In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion support services. We're going to start from a simple Google search, log into Notion, create a fresh page, and embed a link right inside that page, so your content is always at your fingertips. This is perfect for pulling in Google resources, dashboards, or support materials you reference often, and it only takes a minute once you know where to click. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. Search for Notion, and click the official Notion website from the results. This keeps things simple if you don't have the site bookmarked. Once the homepage loads, look for the Login button and click it. After you sign in, you'll land in your workspace, ready to create. Next, create a new page. You can usually do this from the sidebar or the main area with a New Page option. This gives you a blank canvas to work with. At the top of that new page, type a clear, descriptive title. Think about how you'll find this page later. A concise title like Support Hub or Google Resources makes it easy to search and organize. Now click into the body area of the page, the space below the title where your content lives. Notion is block-based, which means each piece of content is its own block. To insert an embedded item, use the / command. Type /embed exactly like that. You'll see Notion open a quick menu of options. From that menu, select Embed. This tells Notion you want to display external content right inside your page. Embeds are great for web pages, videos, forms, and many tools that provide a shareable link. With the embed block ready, paste the link you want to display. It's best to use a link that's viewable to anyone who needs access in your workspace. If a link is private or restricted, Notion may not be able to show a preview, so make sure the source allows embedding or is shared appropriately for viewing. Finally, click Embed Link. Notion will fetch a live preview and place it in your page. From here, the embed will load so you can see it at a glance, keeping your reference material alongside your notes and tasks. If Notion indicates the site can't be embedded, try a different share URL from the source or consider linking out instead. And that's it. You searched for Notion, logged in, created a new page, titled it, opened the body, used the embed command, chose embed, pasted your link, and confirmed it. You now have a clean, centralized page that pulls key information right where you work.